My name is Dervla Morris. I'm Professor of Antimicrobial Resistance and One Health at University of Galway and lead researcher on the Antimicrobial Resistance and the Environment Sources, Persistence, Transmission and Risk Management Project, or AREST for short, which is jointly funded by the EPA and HSE. Antimicrobial resistance is recognised globally as one of the greatest threats to human health. Often referred to as a silent pandemic, antimicrobial resistance not only impacts human health but has major implications for animals, food security, our environment and the global economy. Governments and heads of states worldwide, including Ireland, have developed action plans to tackle the challenge posed by antimicrobial resistance, which adopt a One Health approach. The One Health approach recognises that the health of humans, animals and our shared environment are interlinked. The AREST project was a 5-year study of the role of the Irish environment in the persistence and transmission of antimicrobial resistance. The first step in the AREST project was to carry out a mapping exercise, which identified hotspots and cold spots for sample collection in 4 local authority areas. Samples were collected through point prevalence and longitudinal surveys of effluents and waters over a 2-year period. Findings of these surveys provide evidence of the widespread contamination of Irish waters with antimicrobial resistant organisms of clinical concern. The AREST project demonstrated that conventional manure treatment increases the abundance of antimicrobial resistance in grassland soils. However, current manure spreading practices reduce the likelihood of spread to livestock. Findings also indicate that integrated constructed wetlands and anaerobic digestion processes have potential in the removal of antimicrobial resistant organisms. Risk assessment methodologies were developed and revealed that predicted potential contributors to antimicrobial resistance in the environment are higher from the healthcare sector compared to the agriculture sector. Overall, the AREST project has generated national level data on the key sources and drivers of antimicrobial resistance in the environment, provides evidence of the extent of contamination of the Irish environment with antimicrobial resistance of clinical concern, and provides key data and recommendations to support Ireland's National Action Plan on Antimicrobial Resistance. Thank you for listening, and thank you to the HSE and the EPA for supporting this work. If you would like to find out more about the AREST project, please contact me.